Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Viprajesh. Tata Motors will be revealing the new dark editions of their flagship Safari SUV on the 17th of January this month. Going by the Tata Harrier's dark edition variants, here are the top 5 expectations from the Tata Safari's dark edition models. The first expected feature is the all-black exterior color theme. Just like the latest Tata Harrier dark edition, the dark edition of the Safari is also expected to feature the Oberon black paint scheme with piano black finish on all the chrome bits, including the front grille, door handles and the roof rails. And just like the Tata Harrier's dark edition, the 18-inch alloy wheels of the Tata Safari will also be finished in the charcoal black matte paint finish. Similarly, the Safari badging at the back will also be finished in matte black. The next highlight regarding the Tata Safari's dark edition will be the interior theme. The all-black interior theme will also be carried forward to the Tata Safari, with the top spec variants getting Beniki Calico branded artificial leather seats with the signature tri-arrow design pattern highlighted in a blue shade. This blue shaded tri-arrow design pattern will also be seen on the door armrests, and yes, the stitch lines are also expected to be finished in the same dark blue. The dashboard color theme will be exactly similar to what we have seen on the Tata Harrier dark edition, except for a slightly different pattern on the dashboard mid-pad. Going by the all-black theme, even the roof lining and the pillars are likely to be finished in the same black color theme. The third highlight will be the variant availability of the dark edition. Just like the Tata Harrier, the dark edition themes could be available as an option from the XT Plus variant onwards, ranging all the way up to the XZA Plus top spec variant. Talking about pricing, compared to the standard variants of the Tata Safari, the dark editions could be priced at a slight premium of Rs 30,000. Finally comes the feature highlights. Apart from all features such as cruise control, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, smart key access with push button start and a reverse parking camera, which are available from the XT variant itself, the Tata Safari now as standard also provides air purifier system on the latest XT and XT Plus variants, while the standard XZ variant itself offers wireless charging facility. These features definitely will be carried forward to the dark editions of the respective variants. However, it is also possible that the top spec XZ Plus and XZA Plus variants of the dark edition could also offer front and rear ventilated seats exclusively on the captain seat version. So these are all the expectations of the 2022 Tata Safari's dark edition variants, which are expected to be revealed on the 17th of January. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the dark editions of the Tata Safari SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.